Baked ham is a large piece of pork meat baked in the oven and rubbed with various aromatic herbs and spices. A well-cooked baked pork burger will be a real gem on any table. If all your attempts to cook delicious, not dry homemade baked ham have failed, no reason to never cook this dish again. It's elementary. Just choose the best recipe and quality products and try again. We are here to help. To cook the baked ham, you will need pork ham 1 kg, garlic 10 cloves, mustard 3 hours, rosemary powder 1 teaspoon, paprika 0.5 teaspoon, dry spices 0.5 teaspoon, ground black pepper 0.5 t.sp, salt 1 teaspoon. To begin, combine all the spices and salt. Mix everything. Wash the pork, dry it with paper towels, and put it on a plate. Make deep cuts in the meat with a knife and insert garlic cloves. Rub the meat thoroughly on all sides with a mixture of salt and spices. Brush it with mustard on top. Put gammon to a deep bowl. Cover with cling film so that it is in less contact with the marinade. Put the meat into the fridge to marinate for 5 to 8 hours. Take out the ham from the fridge, wrap it well in foil, and put it on a baking tray. Let stand at room temperature for 1 hour. Send the meat to a cold oven. Preheat the oven to 180 degrees Celsius. Bake the meat for 1.5 hours. When the baked meat is ready, leave it in the oven for another 2 hours. Then take the meat out of the oven, unfold the foil, and drain the liquid. Put the baked pork on a plate, cover it with cling film, and put it in the fridge for 4 to 6 hours. Prepared baked ham should be stored in the refrigerator in a tightly closed container. It is recommended to cut the baked pork just before use, as sliced in advance meat slices may dry out and become weathered, which will adversely affect the taste of the baked pork.